हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। कोर 7 जाए आम सब क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कसन कर सारी। आज स्टार्ट करवा कोर 8 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर रो। तो चलते स्टार्ट करवा आज वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो द वर्ड करिकुलम इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम व्हिच लैंग्वेज। ऑप्शन अच्छे ग्रीक, लैटिन, फ्रेंच, संस्कृत। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी, लैटिन। The term curriculum comes from the Latin word currere, which means to run a course, symbolizing the course of study followed by learners. तापर 2 number question, which of the following best defines the concept of curriculum? Option A only the textbooks used in the classroom, a list of subjects for a particular grade, the totality of student experiences that occur in the educational process, the marks obtained by students. Our answer of option number C, the totality of student experiences that occurs in the educational process. Curriculum refers to the complete set of learning experiences, both formal and informal, that students go through under the guidance of the school. तापर 3 number question, why is curriculum considered a vital component of the education system? Option A, it helps students get more marks, it standardizes the school building design, it determines what, how and why students learn, it reduces the need for teachers. Our answer of option number C, it determines what, how and why students learn. Curriculum plays a crucial role in shaping educational goals, guiding teachers and ensuring that students acquire essential knowledge and skills. तापर 4 number question, which of the following is not typically included in the curriculum? Option A, learning objectives, co-curricular activities, teaching learning materials, students family background. Our answer of option number D, students family background. While curriculum includes objectives, content, activities and materials, a student's family background is not a component of the curriculum. तापर 5 number question, a good curriculum should be option A, teacher centered and rigid, student centered and flexible, designed only for exams, focused only on theory. Our answer of option number B, student centered and flexible. A good curriculum should be flexible, relevant and student centered, addressing learners' needs and preparing them for real life challenges. तापर 6 number question देखिबा, which curriculum type focuses primarily on academic content and subject expertise? Our option is learner centered curriculum, subject centered curriculum, experience centered curriculum, core curriculum. Our answer of option number B, subject centered curriculum. The subject centered curriculum emphasizes organized content knowledge where the subject matter is the primary focus of instruction. तापर 7 number question देखिबा, what is the main goal of a learner centered curriculum? Option A, completing the syllabus on time, promoting teacher control, catering to the interest and needs of students, emphasizing strict examination rules. Our answer of option number C, catering to the interest and needs of students. Learner centered curriculum prioritizes the individual needs, interest and pace of learning of each student, fostering active participation and autonomy. 8 number question, which curriculum type emphasizes real life experiences and practical activities? Our option is subject centered curriculum, experience centered curriculum, core curriculum, local specific curriculum. Our answer of option number B, experience centered curriculum. An experience centered curriculum is built around learners' experiences, encouraging hands-on learning and application of knowledge. तापर 9 number question, which curriculum integrates subjects around key problems or themes relevant to all students? Option A, core curriculum, local specific curriculum, subject centered curriculum, hidden curriculum. Our answer of option number A, core curriculum. The core curriculum includes essential knowledge and skills common to all students, often based on life centered or interdisciplinary themes. तापर 10 number question, the curriculum developed to meet the specific cultural, social and economic needs of a local community is called? Option A is global curriculum, standardized curriculum, local specific curriculum, inclusive curriculum. Our answer of option number C, local specific curriculum. Local specific curriculum addresses the local context, incorporating regional knowledge, languages and practices to make learning more relevant. तापर 11 number question, which of the following best describes the focus of a subject centered curriculum? Option A is holistic development, integration of local culture, mastery of subject knowledge, group based experiential learning. Our answer of option number C, mastery of subject knowledge. In a subject centered approach, the focus is on mastery of content is disciplines like math, science and history, often with less student interaction. तापर 12 number question, in which type of curriculum are students encouraged to set learning goals and evaluate their own progress? Option A is teacher directed curriculum, subject centered curriculum, learner centered curriculum, traditional curriculum. Our answer of option number C, learner centered curriculum. Learner centered models promote self assessment, personal goal setting and active learner participation in the education process. तापर 13 number question, a curriculum built around community problems, regional issues or local languages fall under which type? Option A is national curriculum, core curriculum, local specific curriculum, rigid curriculum. Our answer of option number C, local specific curriculum. Local specific curriculum integrates local needs, language and concerns, making education more relevant and context sensitive. तापर 14 number question, which of the following is a limitation of subject centered curriculum? Option A promotes critical thinking, encourages interdisciplinary learning, neglects individual learner differences, focuses on student participation. Our answer of option number C, neglects individual learner differences. One key criticism of subject-centered curriculum is that it ignores the learner's needs, interests and individual differences, focusing only on content. तापर 15 number question, the core curriculum is based on the idea that option A all subjects are equally important, only a few students deserve quality education, there are certain essential areas of knowledge for all learners, local knowledge should be ignored. Our answer of option number C, there are certain essential areas for knowledge for all learners. Core curriculum ensures that all students acquire a common foundation of important skills, values and knowledge crucial for functioning in society. तापर 16 number question, which of the following is considered the first component in the process of curriculum development? Option A is content, learning experience, objectives, evaluation. Our answer of option number C, objectives. Objectives define what learners are expected to achieve. They guide the selection of content, learning experiences and assessment. Curriculum development typically begins with setting clear objectives. तापर 17 number question, what is the primary purpose of content in the curriculum? Option A is to assess student performance, to engage parents in education, to provide the knowledge and information required to achieve objectives, to evaluate teaching strategy. Our answer of option number C, to provide the knowledge and information required to achieve objectives. Content refers to the subject matter or information included in the curriculum. It is selected and organized to help students achieve the curriculum objectives. तापर 18 number question, learning experiences in the curriculum refer to option is the textbooks used in class, the activities and methods used to help students learn, the test given at the end of the term, the schedule of school holidays. Our answer of option number B, the activities and methods used to help students learn. Learning experiences include all the instructional strategies, activities and interactions that help learners internalize knowledge and skills. They connect objectives and content in meaningful ways. तापर 19 number question, which of the following best describes the relationship between curriculum objectives and learning experiences? Option A, objectives are developed after learning experiences. Learning experiences are selected to help achieve objectives. Learning experiences and objectives are unrelated. Objectives only matter for administrative purposes. Our answer of option number B. Learning experiences are selected to help achieve objectives. Learning experiences are carefully chosen based on curriculum objectives to ensure that students can meet the desired learning outcomes effectively. ତାପରେ 20 number question, a well structured curriculum must align which of the following components? Option A is teachers, students and textbooks, objectives, content and evaluation, objectives, content and learning experiences, school building, content and uniform. Our answer of option number C, objectives, content and learning experiences. An effective curriculum aligns objectives, what to achieve, content, what to teach and learning experiences, how to teach, to create a cohesive and impactful learning journey. तापर 21 number question, in curriculum design what does learning experience primarily refer to? Option A is the final examination, a teacher's qualifications, the activities that allow students to interact with the content, the length of the academic year. Our answer of option number C, the activities that allow students to interact with the content. Learning experiences are the activities, tasks and interactions that students engage in to achieve curriculum objectives. These experiences make learning meaningful and applicable. तापर 22 number question, which of the following is a key purpose of educational evaluation? Our option is to rank students permanently, to provide punishment for poor performers, to measure the effectiveness of teaching and learning, to collect tuition fees. Our answer of option number C, to measure the effectiveness of teaching and learning. Evaluation is a systematic process used to determine the effectiveness of instruction and learning. It helps in assessing whether learning objectives are being achieved. तापर 23 number question, what is the most appropriate way to evaluate learning experiences in the classroom? Option A is only through written exams, by teacher observation, discussion and performance tasks, by students grading themselves, by giving surprise test daily. Our answer of option number B, by teacher observation, discussion and performance tasks. Evaluating learning experiences requires formative methods like observation, performance assessments, and reflective activities. These approaches provide a deeper understanding of student engagement and comprehension. तापर 24 number question, what type of evaluation is conducted during the learning process to improve teaching and learning? Option A is diagnostic evaluation, formative evaluation, summative evaluation, external evaluation. Our answer of option number B, formative evaluation. Formative evaluation occurs during the instructional process. It provides ongoing feedback that helps teachers adjust their strategies and helps students improve their performance. तापर 25 number question, which of the following best defines the relationship between experience and evaluation in education? Option A, evaluation eliminates the need for experience. Experience is optional, evaluation is compulsory. Experiences inform learning and evaluation helps measure their effectiveness. Evaluation and experience have no connection. Our answer of option number C, experience inform learning and evaluation helps measure their effectiveness. Learning experiences shape how students understand and apply knowledge. Evaluation measures how effective those experiences are in meeting educational goals, making both components interdependent. तापर 26 number question, which of the following best describes the philosophical basis of curriculum? Our option A, it focuses on classroom seating arrangement. It helps in understanding the economic needs of students. It provides the vision, values and purpose behind the curriculum. It deals only with student behavior. Our answer of option number C, it provides the vision, values and purpose behind the curriculum. The philosophical basis of curriculum shapes its goals, values and purpose. It defines what knowledge is most worth and guides what should be taught and how. तापर 27 number question, the sociological basis of curriculum emphasizes Option A only individual needs, cultural values, social norms and societal needs, brain development only, spiritual aspects of learning. Our answer of option number B, cultural values, social norms and societal needs. The sociological basis ensures that the curriculum is responsive to society's value, culture, and expectations. It helps prepare learners to participate constructively in society. ତାପରେ 28 number question, which educational philosophy primarily influences a child-centered curriculum? Option A is idealism, realism, naturalism, existentialism. Our answer of option number C, naturalism. Naturalism focuses on child-centered education, emphasizing learning through experience and nature. It influences curriculum by valuing students' natural interest and development. तापर 29 number question, psychological basis of curriculum help in option A designing school buildings, understanding learners' needs, interest and developmental stages, deciding teacher salaries, selecting school uniform. Our answer of option number B, understanding learners' needs, interest and developmental stages. The psychological basis considers how students learn, their cognitive abilities, emotions, and developmental stages, which guides the creation of effective learning experiences. तापर 30 number question, a curriculum that adapts to changes in society is based on which perspective? Our answer of our option is psychological, philosophical, sociological, historical. Our answer of option number C, sociological. The sociological perspective ensures the curriculum involves with societal needs, helping learners cope with and contribute to social change and development. तापर 31 number question, the principle of activity centeredness in curriculum emphasizes. Our option is passive listening, memorization of facts, learning through doing, teacher centered lectures. Our answer of option number C, learning through doing. The activity centered principle is based on the idea that students learn best when they are actively involved in the learning process through hands-on activities and experiences. तापर 32 number question, which of the following is an example of community centered approach in curriculum? Option A, national level standardized exams, projects addressing local environmental issues, using foreign textbooks only, ignoring community problems in teaching. Our answer of option number B, projects addressing local environmental issues. A community centered curriculum includes real life community issues and encourages students to connect learning with the local environment and social needs. तापर 33 number question, activity centered curriculum is most influenced by which educational philosophy? Option A, idealism, realism, pragmatism, scholasticism. Our answer of option number C, pragmatism. Pragmatism supports learning by doing, which aligns with activity centered curriculum where knowledge is structured through practical activities. तापर 34 number question, what is the main benefit of integrating community centeredness in curriculum design? Our option is enhances rote memorization, makes learning more relevant and meaningful, reduces student participation, isolates students from real world issues. Our answer of option number B, makes learning more relevant and meaningful. A community centered curriculum makes education contextual and meaningful by helping students understand and contribute to the society they live in. तापर 35 number question, in an activity centered curriculum the role of teacher is primarily to option A, lecture continuously, act as a facilitator of learning experiences, dictate notes to students, ensure silence in the classroom. Our answer of option number B, act as a facilitator of learning experiences. In an activity centered approach, the teacher becomes a facilitator or guide, creating opportunities for interactive student led learning rather than direct instruction alone. तापर 36 number question, the principle of child centeredness in curriculum development emphasizes. Option A, the interest of the teacher, administrative convenience, Learners needs interest and abilities, strict discipline. Our answer of option number C. Learners needs interest and abilities. Child-centered curriculum focuses on the individual needs, interest and developmental stages of the learner to make education meaningful and effective. ତାପରେ 37 number question, the principle of integration in curriculum design refers to option A isolating subjects, rote learning, connecting knowledge across disciplines, teaching one subject all year. Our answer of option number C, connecting knowledge across disciplines. Integration promotes interdisciplinary learning where knowledge from various subjects is interconnected to provide a holistic understanding. ତାପରେ 38 number question, a curriculum that focuses on local needs and community issues follows the principle of option A national standardization, community centeredness, child neglect, formal discipline. Our answer of option number B, community centeredness. Community centeredness ensures that the curriculum addresses real life issues of the society and encourages students to contribute to their community. ତାପରେ 39 number question, which principle of curriculum focuses on learning by doing? Option A content centeredness, activity centeredness, examination centeredness, lecture based learning. Our answer of option number B, activity centeredness. Activity centeredness stresses the importance of experiential learning where students learn through participation in activities enhancing understanding. तापर 40 number question, the principle of flexibility in curriculum suggests option A strict syllabus with no changes, adopting content and methods as per learner needs, one size fits all curriculum, no assessment. Our answer of option number B, adopting content and methods as per learner's need. Flexible curriculum allows modifications according to the diverse learning styles, pace and interest of students, making learning more effective. तापर 41 number question, the principle of balance in curriculum design ensures option A equal attention to academic and co-curricular areas, focuses only on language skills, neglecting physical education, teaching only theory. Our answer of option number A, equal attention to academic and co-curricular areas. Balanced curriculum maintains equilibrium between intellectual, emotional, social, physical and moral development of learners. तापर 42 number question, which principle emphasizes continuity and progression of learning experiences? Our option is fragmentation, linearity, sequence and continuity, repetition. Our answer of option number C, sequence and continuity. The principle of sequence and continuity ensures that learning moves logically from simple to complex and builds upon previous knowledge. तापर 43 number question, a curriculum that ensures learners develop practical life skills is based on option A idealism, utility principle, dogmatism, verbalism. Our answer of option number B, utility principle. The utility principle advocates for a curriculum that includes practical and useful content relevant to students' future life and careers. तापर 44 number question, which curriculum principle supports developing moral and ethical values? Option A economic principle, principle of value education, activity principle, community principle. Our answer of option number B, principle of value education. The value education principle emphasizes including content that promotes ethical behavior, compassion, discipline and respect for others. तापर 45 number question, the principle of variety in curriculum suggests option A repeating the same topics, use of diverse teaching methods and materials, monotony in classroom, focuses only on textbooks. Our answer of option number B, use of diverse teaching methods and materials. Variety in curriculum involves using different learning strategies, materials and experiences to cater to all types of learners and avoid burden. तापर 46 number question, according to NCF 2005, the foremost guiding principle of curriculum development is option A learning by rote, making examination harder, connecting knowledge to life outside school, following traditional content strictly. Our answer of option number C, connecting knowledge to life outside school. NCF 2005 emphasizes connecting knowledge to life outside school to make learning meaningful, relevant and rooted in real life context. ତାପରେ 47 number question, NCF 2005 advocates the principle of learning. Option A ଅଛି through textbooks only, for examination success, without understanding, without burden. Our answer of option number D, without burden. One of the key principles is learning without burden, reducing rote learning and curriculum overload while making education enjoyable. তারপরে 48 number question, which principle of NCF 2005 encourages inclusion of the child's own experiences in learning? Option A is external motivation, constructivist approach, formal discipline, centralized curriculum. Our answer of option number B, constructivist approach. NCF 2005 follows a constructivist approach where learners actively construct knowledge based on their own experiences and prior understanding. तापर 49 number question, NCF 2005 promotes the idea of assessment as option A is punishment, rote testing, a tool for learning, a final judgment. Our answer of option number C, a tool for learning. Assessment as per NCF 2005 should be seen as an ongoing and comprehensive tools to support and improve learning, not just evaluate it. तापर 50 number question, which of the following is not a guiding principle of NCF 2005? Option A is enriching the curriculum beyond textbooks, making examinations more flexible, promoting rote memorization, nurturing an overarching identity informed by caring concerns. Our answer of option number C, promoting rote memorization. Rote memorization is discouraged by NCF 2005. Instead, it advocates for meaningful learning, flexibility and values based education. तापर 51 number question, according to NCF 2005 learning should be viewed as option A is a mechanical activity of memorizing facts, a passive reception of information, an active process of construction of knowledge, a repetition of textbook content. Our answer of option number C, an active process of construction of knowledge. NCF 2005 emphasizes that learning is an active process where learners construct knowledge based on their experiences, promoting a constructivist approach to education. तापर 52 number question, in the context of NCF 2005 knowledge should be option A is static and absolute, derived only from textbooks, connected with life and local context, only theoretical. Our answer of option number C, connected with life and local context. NCF 2005 promotes the idea that knowledge must be connected to life, especially to learners' immediate environment, making it relevant and meaningful. तापर 53 number question, which of the following is a key objective of learning as per NCF 2005? Option A is memorization of facts, development of examination skills, understanding and critical thinking, imitation of teachers' action. Our answer of option number C, understanding and critical thinking. NCF 2005 highlights that learning should aim at fostering understanding, critical thinking and interdependent reasoning, not just rote memory. तापर 54 number question, what does NCF 2005 say about the role of errors in the learning process? Option A is errors must be punished, errors should be avoided, errors are part of learning process, errors indicate failures. Our answer of option number C, errors are part of the learning process. NCF 2005 views errors as a natural and necessary part of learning process as they help in reflection and deeper understanding. तापर 55 number question, NCF 2005 emphasizes that knowledge is option A is transmitted from teacher to student, a product of rote learning, constructed through interaction and experiences, best delivered through lecturers. Our answer of option number C, constructed through interaction and experiences. According to NCF 2005, knowledge is constructed by the learner through interaction with people, objects and the environment, highlighting the importance of experiential learning. तापर 56 number question, according to NCF 2005, which subject is emphasized as central to all learning? Option H is science, mathematics, language, history. Our answer of option number C, language. NCF 2005 identifies language as the foundation of learning, as it is the primary medium through which knowledge is acquired and expressed. Proficiency in language supports learning across all circular curricular areas. तापर 57 number question, which of the following is a major recommendation of NCF 2005 regarding assessment? Our option H focuses only on summative evaluation, encourage frequent testing, use continuous and comprehensive evaluation, rely solely on written exams. Our answer of option number C, use continuous and comprehensive evaluation. NCF 2005 recommends CCE to reduce the pressure of exams and to assess all aspects of a child's development, both academic and non-academic, through ongoing varied evaluation methods. तापर 58 number question, what is the focus of the primary stage class I to V as for NCF 2005? Option H, rote learning and memorization, mechanical reading and writing, activity based learning and exploration, competitive exams preparation. Our answer of option number C, activity based learning and exploration. At the primary stage, NCF 2005 emphasizes learning through activities, play and exploration, encouraging creativity and understanding over memorization. तापर 59 number question, which area is introduced formally at the upper primary stage class होची VI to V3 I as per NCF 2005? Option H, moral science, work and vocational education, environmental science, political science. Our answer of option number B, work and vocational education. Work and vocational education are integrated from the upper primary stage onwards to help students understand the dignity of labor and acquire practical skills. तापर 60 number question, what kind of learning experiences does NCF 2005 advocates for at all school stages? Option H, teacher centric and textbook bound, rigid and exam focused, experiential, contextual and integrated, isolated subject based lectures. Our answer of option number C, experiential, contextual and integrated. NCF 2005 encourages learning that is experiential, context based and integrated across subjects, helping students relate knowledge and real life situations. तापर 61 number question, what is the primary meaning of guidance in education? Option H, providing strict instruction to students, giving punishment for misbehavior, helping individuals make decisions and solve problems, teaching only academic subjects. Our answer of option number C, helping individuals make decisions and solve problems. Guidance is a process of helping individuals understand themselves and their environment so they can make informed decisions and solve personal, educational and vocational problems. तापर 62 number question, which of the following best describes the nature of guidance? Option H, one time process, positive in nature, continuous and developmental, only for low achieving students. Our answer of option number C, continuous and developmental. Guidance is not a one-time event but a lifelong process that supports an individual's overall development, emotional, social, educational and vocational. तापर 63 number question, the scope of guidance includes which of the following areas? Option H, educational, vocational and personal guidance, only academic support, only job placement services, moral and religious instruction. Our answer of option number A, educational, vocational and personal guidance. The scope of guidance is broad and include educational guidance related to studies, vocational guidance, career choices and personal or social guidance, emotional and interpersonal issues. तापर 64 number question, which statement is true about guidance? Option H, it imposes decisions on the learners. It helps individuals become self-directive. It is the same as teaching. It focuses only on future planning. Our answer of option number B, it helps individuals become self-directive. The goal of guidance is to help individuals become self-reliant and self-directive, capable of making independent and responsible decisions. तापर 65 number question. In educational settings, guidance is most useful for option H, dictating career choices, enforcing discipline, helping students adjust and plan for the future, conducting examinations. Our answer of option number C, helping students adjust and plan for the future. Educational guidance helps students adjust to their learning environment, make suitable course and career choices, and handle academic and social challenges effectively. तापर 66 number question. Educational guidance primarily helps students to option H, choose a career, select suitable educational programs and cope with studies, solve personal problems, learn moral values. Our answer of option number B, select suitable educational programs and cope with studies. Educational guidance supports learners in selecting appropriate subjects, courses and academic goals, and helps them overcome challenges related to learning and school adjustment. तापर 67 number question. Which of the following is the main aim of vocational guidance? Our option H, teaching soft skills, enhancing discipline, helping individuals choose a suitable occupation, encouraging sports participation. Our answer of option number C, helping individuals choose a suitable occupation. Vocational guidance assists individuals in understanding career options, matching their abilities and interests with job opportunities, and preparing for the world of work. तापर 68 number question. Personal guidance focuses on option H, solving issues related to income, helping students solve emotional, social and behavioral problems, improving handwriting skills, teaching only science subjects. Our answer of option number B, helping students solve emotional, social and behavioral problems. Personal guidance helps individuals deal with emotional adjustment, interpersonal relationship and behavioral issues that may affect their personal or academic life. तापर 69 number question. Which type of guidance would be most helpful for a student confused about selecting between science and commerce streams? Option H, personal guidance, vocational guidance, educational guidance, moral guidance. Our answer of option number C, educational guidance. The scenario involves making a decision about academic streams, which is the focus of educational guidance, helping students make informed educational choices. तापर number question. A student seeks help from a counselor due to anxiety and peer pressure. What kind of guidance does this relate to? Option H, educational guidance, vocational guidance, personal guidance, physical guidance. Our answer of option number C, personal guidance. Since the student is dealing with emotional and social issues, it falls under the domain of personal guidance, which supports mental well-being and social adjustment. तापर 71 number question. Which of the following best defines counseling? Option H, giving advice to people, a process of helping individuals to understand and resolve personal problems, a classroom teaching method, guiding people for job opportunities only. Our answer of option number B, a process of helping individuals to understand and resolve personal problems. Counseling is the therapeutic process that involves a trained counselor helping a person explore and address emotional, social, and psychological issues to promote personal growth and well-being. तापर 72 number question. One major characteristic of counseling is that it is option H, directive and one way, only for students with problems, confidential and client centered, a legal obligation. Our answer of option number C, confidential and client centered. Counseling is confidential, meaning the counselor keeps shared information private. It is also client centered, focusing on the needs, feelings and pace of the person being counselated. तापर 73 नंबर क्वेश्चन द स्कोप ऑफ काउंसलिंग इंक्लूड्स ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एस्पेक्ट ऑप्शन है एकेडमिक सपोर्ट मेंटल हेल्थ असिस्टेंट career planning judicial decisions our answer of option number D judicial decisions counseling covers educational personal and vocational aspects but it does not involve legal or judicial decisions which fall under the court system तापर 74 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए बेसिक नेचर ऑफ काउंसलिंग ऑप्शन है इट इज ए प्रोफेशनल रिलेशनशिप इट इज फ्यूचर ओरिएंटेड इट इज फोकस्ड ऑन पनिशमेंट एंड डिसिप्लिन it facilitates decision making our answer of option number C it is focused on punishment and discipline counseling is a supportive empathetic process it does not involve discipline instead it encourages self awareness and positive behavioral change तापर 75 नंबर क्वेश्चन काउंसलिंग कैन बी प्रोवाइडेड इन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेटिंग्स ऑप्शन है ओनली इन मेंटल हॉस्पिटल्स ओनली इन स्कूल्स in various settings like schools, workplaces and communities only by doctors. Our answer of option number C in various settings like schools, workplaces and communities. The scope of counseling is broad. It is used in educational, organizational, rehabilitation and clinical settings to support people in a wide range of personal and professional challenges. तापर 76 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए प्राइमरी टाइप ऑफ काउंसलिंग प्रोवाइड टू हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स make informed decisions about courses and academic goals. Our option है personal counseling, vocational counseling, educational counseling, crisis counseling. Our answer of option number C educational counseling. Educational counseling helps individuals, especially students, make decisions related to learning paths, subject choices and academic progress, thereby enhancing academic success. तापर 77 नंबर क्वेश्चन वोकेशनल काउंसलिंग प्राइमरीली फोकसेस ऑन ऑप्शन है पर्सनल मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट कैरियर चॉइसेस एंड जॉब रिलेटेड डिसीजंस फिजिकल फिटनेस गाइडेंस आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी कैरियर चॉइसेस एंड जॉब रिलेटेड डिसीजंस vocational counseling helps individuals identify their interest aptitudes and suitable career options guiding them toward a fulfilling job or professions. तापर 78 नंबर क्वेश्चन पर्सनल काउंसलिंग इज मेनली कंसर्न्ड विथ ऑप्शन है सिलेक्टिंग द राइट कॉलेज choosing a career addressing emotional social and psychological issues improving physical health our answer of option number C addressing emotional social and psychological issues personal counseling assists individuals in coping with issues like stress anxiety relationship and self esteem promoting emotional well-being तापर 79 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच टाइप ऑफ काउंसलिंग इज मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ड्यूरिंग ए नेचुरल डिजास्टर और सडन ट्रॉमेटिक इवेंट आर ऑप्शन है एजुकेशनल काउंसलिंग वोकेशनल काउंसलिंग ग्रुप काउंसलिंग क्रिसिस काउंसलिंग आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर डी क्रिसिस काउंसलिंग इज शॉर्ट टर्म एंड इट is provided to people who have experienced traumatic or emergency situations helping them stabilize and find immediate support. तापर 80 नंबर क्वेश्चन ग्रुप काउंसलिंग इन्वॉल्व्स ऑप्शन है वन ऑन वन कॉन्फिडेंशियल सेशंस multiple individuals sharing and learning together under a counselor's guidance only students and teachers a physical training program. Our answer of option number B multiple individuals sharing and learning together under a counselor's guidance. Group counseling includes a small group of individuals with similar concern who meet under the supervision of a trained counselor to share experiences and support each other. तापर 81 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए बेसिक टेक्निक यूज्ड बाय काउंसलर टू हेल्प क्लाइंट्स एक्सप्रेस देयर थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स ओपनली आर ऑप्शन है लेक्चरिंग एक्टिव लिसनिंग जजिंग आर्ग्यूइंग आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी एक्टिव लिसनिंग इन्वॉल्व्स फुल्ली concentrating understanding responding and remembering what the client says it builds trust and encourages open communication. तापर 82 नंबर क्वेश्चन द काउंसलिंग टेक्निक दैट इन्वॉल्व्स rephrasing or summarizing what the client has said to confirm understanding is called option है probing interpreting paraphrasing challenging. Our answer of option number C, paraphrasing. So paraphrasing shows that the counselor is listening and helps clarify the client's message. It involves restating the client's words in the counselor's own words. तापर 83 number question, which technique is used by counselors to help clients gain insight by examining their own behavior and thoughts? Option A is silence, reflection, reassurance, interpretation. Our answer of option number D, interpretation. Interpretation is used to provide clients with new perspectives on their behaviors, thoughts or feelings, helping them gain deeper self-awareness. तापर 84 number question, which technique allows clients to explore their emotions by repeating or deepening the emotional content of their words? Option A, reflection of feeling, structuring, confrontation, advice giving. Our answer of option number A, reflection of feeling. Reflection of feeling involves the counselor echoing the emotional tone of what the client says, helping the client recognize and explore their emotions more deeply. तापर 85 number question, which of the following counseling techniques encourages the client to take responsibility and make decisions independently? Option A, advice giving, direct instruction, empowerment, reassurance. Our answer of option number C, empowerment. Empowerment in counseling helps clients build self-confidence and autonomy, encouraging them to take control of their own lives and decisions. तापर 86 number question, which of the following is a primary aim of guidance services in schools? Option A, discipline enforcement, student assessment, holistic development, examination preparation. Our answer of option number C, holistic development. Guidance services aims at the all-round development of students, academic, emotional, social and vocational. तापर 87 number question, the placement service in schools is primarily concerned with option A, disciplining students, conducting exams, helping students find appropriate educational and career opportunities, organizing cultural activities. Our answer of option number C, helping students find appropriate educational and career opportunities. Placement services help place students in suitable educational institutions, jobs or vocational training programs based on their abilities. तापर 88 number question, pupil inventory service collects information about. Our option A, teachers qualification, student strength, weaknesses, interest and personality, school budget, school timetable. Our answer of option number B, student strengths, weaknesses, interest and personality. This service involves maintaining records of students for understanding their development and planning personalized guidance. Which of the following is an objective of the occupational information service? Option A, conducting aptitude test, providing knowledge about different career options, evaluating teachers' performance, monitoring exam results. Our answer of option number B, providing knowledge about different career options. This service informs students about various occupations, their requirements and future perspectives. तापर 90 number question, follow up service in school guidance programs is meant to. Option A, punish students for wrong choices, track the effectiveness of guidance after school, re-enroll dropout students, provide scholarships. Our answer of option number B, track the effectiveness of guidance after school. Follow up helps assess whether students have benefited from guidance and how they are progressing. तापर 91 number question, the role of the teacher in guidance services includes. Option A, providing only subject instruction, acting as a counselor and facilitator, reporting student misbehavior, conducting final exams. Our answer of option number B, acting as a counselor and facilitator. Teachers play a critical role in observing, advising and referring students for guidance. तापर 92 number question, occupational guidance is most helpful at which stage of schooling? Option A, primary, pre-primary, secondary and senior secondary, middle school. Our answer of option number C, secondary and senior secondary. Students at this stage need career guidance as they make subject and career choices. तापर 93 number question, which of these is not a component of guidance services in schools? Option A, people inventory, discipline enforcement, placement service, follow-up service. Our answer of option number B, discipline enforcement. While discipline is important, it is not a formal component of guidance program. तापर 94 number question, what is the main function of the pupil inventory service? Option A, prepare question papers, store teacher details, maintain student data for guidance, organize school functions. Our answer of option number C, maintain student data for guidance. This service helps guide students based on recorded information. तापर 95 number question, which of these services helps in evaluating the impact of guidance given to students? Option A, people inventory, placement service, follow-up service, occupational service. Our answer of option number C, follow-up service. It assesses whether the guidance provided helped the student in real life situations. तापर 96 number question, the teacher's primary responsibility in guidance services is to option A, replace the school counselor, refer students to professional counselors when needed, focus only on academic results, avoid emotional involvement with students. Our answer of option number B, refer students to professional counselors when needed. Teachers can identify problems and refer students for specialized help. तापर 97 number question, guidance services in schools helps in option A, reducing the syllabus, promoting rote learning, personal, social and career development, replacing textbooks. Our answer of option number C, personal, social and career development. Guidance supports comprehensive student development. तापर 98 number question, which service provides structured programs for student job placements or apprenticeships? Option A, follow-up, occupational, placement, pupil inventory. Our answer of option number C, placement. Placement involves helping students enter suitable jobs or higher education. तापर 99 number question, a major benefit of occupational information service is option A, improved test scores, enhanced discipline, informed career decision making, better classroom attendance. Our answer of option number C, informed career decision making. Students make better career choices when they know the options. तापर 100 number question, which service is ongoing and supports the students even after school completion? Option A, placement, follow-up, occupational, curriculum development. Our answer of option number B, follow-up. It ensures students are adopting well after schooling ends. तापर 101 number question, which of the following is not a role of the teacher in guidance services? Option A, classroom instruction, keeping pupil records confidential, diagnosing learning difficulties, performing psychological therapy. Our answer of option number D, performing psychological therapy. Teachers guide and refer but do not perform therapy, which is done by professionals. तापर 102 number question, guidance in school is best implemented through option A, annual meetings, integrated daily interactions and programs, monthly punishments, surprise test. Our answer of option number B, integrated daily interaction and programs. Regular interaction helps build report and identify students' needs. तापर 103 number question, which of the following best describes a guidance counselor? Option A, a subject expert, a disciplinarian, a trained professional helping students solve personal and career problems, a school principal. Our answer of option number C, a trained professional helping students solve personal and career problems. Counselors are specially trained in guidance and counseling techniques. तापर 104 number question, a guidance service focusing on the collection of academic, personal and family background of the student is option A, placement service, occupational information service, pupil inventory service, follow-up service. Our answer of option number C, pupil inventory service. This service collects student data for personalized guidance. तापर 105 number question, the foundation The foundation of all guidance services in schools is option A curriculum, counseling, student information, classroom teaching. Our answer of option number C student information. Accurate student data is essential for effective guidance services. कोर 8 रो समस्त क्वेश्चन आंसर सरीगला। नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे हमें देखिबा कोर 9 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर। जदि वीडियो भल लागुचे लाइक करंतु आ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।